Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable ramen. This is one of my new favourite recipes. So in lockdown I was really craving a Wagamama's, but obviously because everything was shut and I live in the middle of nowhere, I couldn't really get a Wagamama's. So I went online, found a few recipes, and I finally made the perfect ramen. This one will cost you £1.05 per person, which is a massive difference from £12 per person that you'd have to pay at Wagamama's, and it really doesn't take that long at all. So if you've got a craving, this will sort it out. Okay, let's crack on. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of shredded carrot, 1 cup of green beans, or you can use sugar snap peas. I just find green beans are a lot more accessible and cheaper. 1 pack of baby corn, 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced, 1 tablespoon of Thai red curry paste, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 6 cups of veggie stock, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 8 ounces of egg noodles or ramen noodles. Again, I just use egg noodles because we always have them in the cupboard and they're much cheaper and easier to find, I think. The juice of 1 lime and coriander to serve. In a large saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and fry off your mushrooms. I like mine a little bit golden. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add in the carrot, beans and baby corn. Cook for a few minutes and then add in the curry powder, the curry paste, garlic and ginger. Cook for a further 1 minute and then add in the stock and coconut milk. And then you want to season it to taste. Bring to a simmer and then add in your noodles. Cook for 10 minutes or until the noodles are al dente, stirring every now and then. Stir in the lime juice and serve up with a sprinkle of coriander. And there you go, look at that. This recipe is really yummy and warming. It's actually quite spicy, so that's a warning. And it is the perfect meal to make if you're craving some Wagamama's on a budget. This recipe only costs £4.10 and makes enough for 4 people. That is only £1.02 per person, and buying a takeaway version would cost you around £12 per person, so that is amazing saving. And I promise you, it tastes just as good as their ramen. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely love making this recipe. It is so easy, so quick, and really yummy. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe share it with one of your friends who also loves Wagamama's. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.